Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about Juice Point or Shake's Corner. As more and more Indians grow health concise, fresh juices without preservatives are emerging as a popular healthy alternative to cold drinks. This is why the Humble Juice Bar has made this small business ideas list for India as a top option for a potentially successful venture. While one is at it, diversification into related drinks, especially summer drinks like lemonade, buttermilk, and lassi might also work out well for this small business. Of course, one can decide to go the whole hog and get started with a fully loaded food truck instead. As long as the food drinks provided are of high quality and all the requisite permits are in order. Ensuring the success of this business idea should not be too hard. Likewise, juice points are very useful, and shakes means milk shakes and buttermilk shakes and lemon shakes are also available. By these also earn a very good income. Nowadays, people are also not interested in preservative foods, so it is also a good growth to the juice points. Wishing you all the best.